Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today I'm showing you a unit we just got in. And it's kind of gonna be one of our top sellers we're expecting because we carry a similar model to this as well that does very well in this size by Sundance. This is a 2020 Heartland Sundance 198 MB. So we just started carrying this, and if you're looking for something that's not real long but you still want a tandem axle, you're very limited. There's not a whole lot out there. Most of your stuff that's in the 19-foot range or so is going to have a single axle. This has a tandem axle. So right off the bat, you got a power tongue jack up front, 2 propane bottles. That's a lot of times missing on your other 19-footers. Nice big pass-through in here. It kind of hooks around almost like a horseshoe. So you got a huge amount of outdoor storage there. And then if you follow me back here, I'll show you it has a second additional outdoor storage, which is kind of rare on a trailer. Usually you get your pass-through up front and you call it a day. This has got another really big one that's accessible from both sides. So there's a door on the opposite side of the unit as well that goes in there. So the real nice stuff with this one is on the inside. I'll show you. It's a little bit different. Alright, so if you look here, you got a good place to sit besides on the dinette or on the bed. So you got a full couch here, you got cup holders in here as well. You got nightstands on both sides of this here because this turns into a bed as well. Your bed takes up about a third of your trailer and you're only using it a little bit at, a third of the day at night. So this kind of gives you a setup where you have your queen bed and you have a couch to sit on when you're not actually sleeping. So this is a pretty good use of space in this little area right here. Like I said, this is a pretty small trailer. And you got a room for a nice, good sized TV in here, about at least a 39-inch. There's a lot of LED lighting and things that light up in here. Then when you're done with your bed, pops away pretty easy. Then you got your couch to sit on again. It's pretty slick. You got a separate curtain here that can separate this, and then it moves into your kitchen. You got a nice big stainless steel sink. You have an oven. A lot of your small 19-footers aren't going to have ovens, and they're going to only have 2 burners. This has 3. You got a good amount of storage over here too, so some extra pantry and a lot of overhead cabinetry in this unit too. So smaller trailer, you expect to have a small bathroom, and it's actually a decent size with a good amount of counter space and a really big shower. A lot bigger than your, a lot of your rounded showers or your little tubs and things like that. Then you have your 2-door fridge, so not the little fridge in here. And then in the back, it's kind of cut out here, and you got 3 windows in the very back here. So there's a lot of natural light back here. You got a good amount of area to sit and around and eat. There's a lot more overhead storage here. You have a very arched ceiling in here, so it makes a small trailer feel a lot bigger than it really is. It's pretty different. So if you don't want to go real big and you don't want to go real heavy, this is just a little over 4,000 pounds, but you want tandem axle. It's a hard box to kind of check off, but this kind of does it here. And it's pretty open in here. There's a lot of room, and there's not even a slide in it, which is kind of cool. So a lot of people don't even notice it until they're in it for a while. So give me a call. I'll show you some more stuff on this one. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter. I'll talk to you soon.